3 mistakes to avoid, and it might have to do with cardio. Hi, I'm Amanda, the body coach. I've been a fitness professional for 21 years, and I'm here to bring you some extreme facts and knowledge to ponder on to help you in your health and fitness journey. So let's get at it. If your goal is weight loss or fat loss, yes, cardiovascular activity has its place within the mix, but it is vastly overrated, and there's better components of fitness that you can put your focus on to focus on your overall specific goal of weight loss and fat loss. Yes, it has its place and it has its benefits, and it makes you happy. Do it and enjoy it. But one key factor we need to focus on is you cannot out-train a bad nutrition plan. You cannot out-train a bad diet. When it comes to fat loss and body recomposition, yes, cardiovascular training does help, but strength training is the driving force to creating nice, long, lean muscles to help you push to your specific body recomposition goal. Excess cardiovascular conditioning can make it difficult to focus on body recomposition when your focus or initial focus is putting on nice sculpted lean mass. We need to put emphasis on strength training is the driving force. I often hear some of my clients say this and that gym chatter that, oh, I have to do 2 hours of cardio because of what I ate last night. I had a whole pizza. I need to do extra to burn off those calories from last night. That's a very, very bad mindset to fall into. Falling into that slippery slope of burning off more calories than what you're taking in, or burning off the calories that what you did take in from the day before or the weekend, is a really bad mindset to fall into. Relying solely on our training alone for optimal results is unsustainable. It will leave you burnout, burning the candle at both ends, and it's extremely unsustainable. Caloric deficit cannot be solely training alone. It has to be nutrition combined with your physical activity. Nutrition and fitness go hand in hand, and that's why it's so important and vital that training is accompanied by a very awesome nutrition plan. Falling into that mindset of burning more calories, burning more calories, burning more calories, it's just a vicious cycle. So the best body recomposition results comes from strength training, lifting weights. And in opinion, I put more value towards my strength training than my cardiovascular activity. Keep yourself metabolically on top. Lean mass burns more calories at rest. So quick tip, prioritize your strength training before your cardiovascular training. More is always better. Absolutely not. The more to burn, more approach is the wrong approach, especially if you're in a calorie deficit, leaving you feeling exhausted and burning the candle at both ends. Overtraining and underfueling is a really bad concept to fall into place within your health and fitness journey. It can have a negative impact on one's goals, your metabolic rate, and energy, mental anguish, and so forth. This will not lead to better results, hands down. Also emphasizing number 3, quality over quantity or purpose over length. Have a purpose when you are going into the gym. That is so important and extremely vital to your success and goals. I know HIIT training, circuit-based training, intense interval training is all the hype, and it is emphasized on a quick session. But I see a lot of people emphasizing these quick sessions and prolonging them and making them into long sessions, where essentially a 20-minute workout should not be prolonged into an hour workout. It's not designed for that specific manner. So it's going to exhaust you. You're not going to have that adequate energy and that fuel load to take a 20-minute HIIT, circuit, or interval training and prolong it for an hour. It just makes no sense. We see it on social media and laced all through the internet. It's a go hard approach always, and that's where you're gonna get the best tailored results for you. Not a great way to focus on your vision and your goals. That's where that lack of ineffective quality and volume and your frequency in the gym falls short. Workouts, frequency, volume, intensity of your workout should be designed in a safe and effective manner based on your specific goals, and shouldn't be a general population design program that's promising to deliver you fast, effective, efficient results. It's mainstream, it's not attainable, it's extremely unsustainable, and it will leave you feeling mentally, physically, and emotionally exhausted. So I'll leave you with this. Have a plan, a proper nutrition plan, a proper strength training and cardiovascular conditioning plan, and patience. That is the recipe of success for your specific goals and actually achieving them. This is how you'll fuel your movement for overall optimal results.